All right, guys. Hey, we're back. Local John 1812.
DGUKO6. Guest.
Guest. Guest of family here.
That's all.
So
Yes.
he is the guest of the night, and we wanted to do a review for you guys. And we're at, I don't know if you can spell.
It says it.
Somewhere over here it says the name of the place. Oh, here we go.
Dairy Queen. Whatever.
Dairy Queen.
Right there.
Okay. So we're at Dairy Queen, and we are going to try the Oreo Hot Cocoa Blizzards. Right, guys?
Yep.
And
I
so
can't wait. It sounds good. I mean,
I can't wait to, try them, and we'll tell you guys what we think of them.
I'm sure.
Oh, let me get my arm out of there. There we go.
I'm sure.
All right, guys. Wave, and we'll be back when we're trying them. Oh, we're back, guys.
Yep.
We went in there. We made our purchases. We got 3 of them.
Yep, we all got one. Me, JJ, John.
It is the Hot Cocoa Oreo Blizzard from Dairy Queen. They run you about $3.99 for a small. I think a mini was $2.79, or actually, yeah, I think that's right, $2.79 for a mini. A little over 3 something for a small. Price is not, hey, it's ice cream, so it's something to snack on. It's a good treat to have. We were going to do this review usually in the car, like we usually do, but we didn't have enough room, so we had to step outside real quick. So we won't be out here that long because the review is being done outside, and we're eating ice cream where it's kind of cold, not too cold.
It smells so good.
Let's smell it real quick, guys.
It smells like hot chocolate.
Oh, it smells like a cocoa package.
Yeah.
Yeah,
like you open that packet and it has like the powder.
So let's get a good look at it right there. You can see the whole whipped cream they're putting on top there. You've got the ice cream with the hot cocoa and the chocolate pieces in there. Oreo pieces.
It looks really good.
Yes. So we know what it smells like. We see what it looks like. We know the price. But what does it taste like? So let's find out.
I'm going to get some whipped cream in there too. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Pretty darn good. Oh yeah. With the whipped cream, it really tastes really well, don't it?
Yeah, 100%. That was definitely pretty high for me.
Not bad at all. Out of a 10, we'll start with Boston. What do you give it?
I mean, it's good, but I wouldn't give it a 10. More of a 7 to 8, so 7.5.
7.5?
Yeah.
7.5. Well, John, what do you give it?
Definitely 9.
You give it a 9? Well, I'm going to give it an 8. That way we can go 7, 8, 9, or 7.5, 8, 9. Basically in order. 7.5, 8, 9. So.
What if I change it up and made mine an 8?
Well, then it'd be 8, 8, 9. But, meaning though, you're getting any range between a 7 and 9. So this item is good. I would purchase it again, would you?
Well, actually, it was pretty expensive, and normally typically an entire family is like 3 people to 4 people, and for everybody to have this, it'd be a lot of money. So I'm actually just gonna lower mine to a 7.
Well, thing about it is, no matter which Blizzard it is, they're all the same price. So if you would have went in there and got an Oreo Blizzard, it would have been the same price.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
So that's just what Dairy Queen's price is on it. I don't agree. I think
You could have gotten the mini for cheaper.
Yeah, $2.79. I think the small should be around $3 flat. I don't think there should be any change on the end of the $3. That's my opinion. I think it should be $3.
I don't really like it when people do that because it's sort of like it's kind of like an OCD thing because it's like whenever like a store adds like 15 or 22 cents at the end of something.
Yeah.
At least try to make it even. I mean.
Well, there you go, businesses. You heard it from the young man himself. He wants you to stop putting 99 or 89 at the end of something. Just make it flat numbers. $6, $5, $2. Makes sense.
Yeah, it's not like I'm gonna have exactly 22 cents on me.
But the product was good. I really enjoyed it. I'll buy it again. Basically, out of all three of us judging it, you are getting like an 8, about an 8, really, if you figured out the average between the three. So about an 8. I'd go out and buy it. Not bad at all. You can get it in the mini size if you want to save a few, about 60 cents or 70 cents or so, and get it in the mini size. So
one thing that I really want to add: don't give this to your 3-year-old son or daughter.
Don't give any Blizzard to your 3-year-old son or daughter. They'll make a mess. They won't be able to turn it upside down.
Now give it to your grandkids because you're sending them back to mom and dad.
So, well, guys, that's all we got for tonight. Thanks for, and we hope you enjoy watching this another food review that we're doing. We'll be back again soon. Thanks for having a guest tonight come on and help us out and give us his thoughts on something new that we're trying. And we'll be back again. Don't forget to like,
subscribe,
comment,
click that little bell. I'm not copying.
Share.
I'm trying not to copy that off the trainer.
Okay, he said click the share button and the like button, comment, subscribe.
Or the notification bell is what I meant.
You want a notification bell and hit the notification bell.
Yeah,
Whatever you guys
say.
He's saying do action. Do it, guys. All right. So we'll be back next time. Until then, guys, we'll see you. Have a good one. Hot cocoa, Oreo Blizzard, very good at Dairy Queen.
Ice cream and cold weather, not a good combination.
Still good. Hot cocoa, Oreo Blizzard. Later.